Feeding a sick dog can be hard because they may not feel like eating. But giving them the right food and care can help them get better faster. There are simple steps to feed a sick dog in a safe and easy way. Sometimes, a sick dog just needs rest before eating. If your dog does not want food, do not force it right away. Give them some time and try again later. Skipping one meal is usually okay, unless the vet says otherwise. Always make sure your sick dog has clean, fresh water to drink. Even if they do not want food, they still need to stay hydrated. Place the water bowl nearby so it is easy to reach. Check often to see if they are drinking. If they are not, talk to your vet right away. Give your sick dog small amounts of food at a time. Small portions are easier for their stomach to handle. Avoid giving big meals all at once. This helps prevent upset tummies and helps them eat better. Warming your dog's food a little can make it smell better and help them want to eat. Make sure the food is just warm, not hot. You can use a microwave for a few seconds. Warm food is easier for sick dogs to enjoy. Soft food is easier for a sick dog to chew and swallow. Soft food also smells stronger, which can make your dog more interested. Avoid hard kibble if your dog feels weak or tired. Always check with your vet before changing food. Feed your sick dog in a calm and quiet place. Loud noises and distractions can make your dog feel scared or stressed. A peaceful spot helps them feel safe and relaxed. This makes it easier for your dog to eat. Choose a space where your dog feels comfortable and calm. Stay calm and patient when feeding your sick dog. Being gentle helps your dog feel safe and cared for. Try feeding again after some time. Your calmness can help your dog feel better and more willing to eat. If your sick dog is not eating from a bowl, try hand feeding them. Offer small pieces of soft food gently from your hand. This helps your dog feel loved and safe. Hand feeding can encourage them to eat when they feel weak. When your dog is sick, give them simple food that is easy to digest. A bland diet like plain boiled chicken and white rice works well. This kind of food is gentle on their stomach. Always ask your vet if this is safe for your dog. Always check with your vet before feeding a sick dog. The vet knows what food is best for your dog's illness. They can also tell you how much and how often to feed. The vet's help keeps your dog safe and healthy. Koha Limited Ingredient Bland Diet is made for dogs with sensitive stomachs. It has simple ingredients that are easy to digest. This food helps your dog feel better without upsetting their tummy. So, by applying these tips and using this product, you can gently feed a sick dog.